We're here at Restore Hyper Wellness, Bluffton location, also a Hilton Head location. We're going to learn about NAD today, which has a longer name. Josh is going to tell us about that and what it is. Thanks for having us.
Thank you for coming in here today. So NAD, it's a big topic. So NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. So it's a mouthful. Just know it as NAD.
NAD, got it. Okay, so what does it do for the body?
It helps to rebuild the building blocks of our body. And the building blocks are our cells. And so it finds the cells that may be a little bit too old, they need to be replenished, they need to be fixed, they need to be replaced. And so it finds and recycles those, and it works its way through the body and it finds it directly. So it works through, finds an area that's problematic and fixes it.
Sounds good to me, and I know you do this. So tell us about your experience and how it feels.
Sure. So I started this about 4 years ago, and when I got into it, I was 23 at the time. I didn't think that I needed a lot of fixing, right? I was just trying it to see how it made me feel. However, even at that younger age, and as in the physical shape that I was and in the mental shape that I was, I didn't know if it was going to be a huge difference. But I noticed big increases of energy. I noticed my recovery was faster. I noticed my strength was stronger. I noticed that my stress levels were much more manageable.
Wow.
So huge differences for me, and I was 23.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, so what makes it different about coming to Restore versus maybe getting this service elsewhere?
Sure. So Restore, it's very integrated in terms of its wellness. And so we're able to use synergistic services that help with the delivery of the NAD, with the potency of the NAD, and how quickly you're able to actually feel those effects. Okay. And so we have a program.
That makes it so much better, helps you just enhance the wellness. Your experience is great. Thank you, Josh, for having us.
Thank
Thanks
you
for watching.